Hi, I'm Jeremy, and today I'll be showing you how to replace a door switch in a warming cabinet. First thing we're going to do is we're going to power the unit off. And then we're going to unplug the unit from the wall. We're going to go ahead and pull the white door switch. There's two little clips on the inside. The door switch will pull out. The red is always on the right with the cherry facing up. Go ahead and unplug the wires. When installing the new switch, it doesn't matter which red wires are on the right. You just need a red, skip one, red, then black, skip one, black. Once the wires are reconnected, go ahead and install the door switch back into the drawer assembly. Okay, now plug the unit in and power on.